Fly now offers the ability for you to create material kits or material assemblies that help you better manage your flat rate pricing and provide an easy access for technicians and warehouse managers to add groupings of products to jobs or invoices. Today, we're going to take a look at how to create a kit, where kits live within catalog and stock, and how they roll up to each other so that you can see them in a single line item. Kits are located under catalog, next to materials and next to tools. To create a new kit, you'll click on Add New Item, or you can select a number of items from your materials catalog or stock location to create a kit. I'm going to select a number of materials here, and we'll see an item action in the middle called Create a Kit. Once we click this, we then have the ability of adding an image and the name and description of the kit. So let's go ahead and add General Kit Install. And you can add tags as well to better sort and filter down. We're going to click Next. These are the kit materials that we chose, and we'll be able to add in the quantity of each of those items and the pricing for each. Additionally, if you have an item that you want to add that isn't on this, you'll be able to have full access to your catalog to be able to add another material to the list for that kit. You can delete items off of a kit creation by clicking Delete. And once you're satisfied, you'll be able to save your kit, get a kit preview. If you made a mistake, you can edit this and hit Save. Once created, the kit will show on the Kit tab, and you can view the kit in its entirety by clicking on the drop-down arrow to see the items that you've created. You'll be able to also add kits directly to folders, as well as add them into different stock locations as well. If a technician is in their tech application, they'll be able to see a list of all the kits. They can search for the kit, they can select a kit, and then add that kit to a job. This will then add all of those items directly to the job. Kits also have their own individual pages as well, so you can see the number of materials listed in that kit. You can edit the kit content, and you can check the stock location across your different warehouses and trucks on the requirements for that kit. In this example, you can see that we have 1 required, but 0 available within this one stock location. In this location, you're able to see that we have none. We do not have this item at all, and we need to add that item directly for that kit. We hope kits are a valuable addition to your flat rate pricing. And if there's any questions about kits or the creation of material assemblies, please let us know.